Here we got another Amazon package. I got the shipping label off, so let's unbox it now. Gotta screw to open it. Hope everything is in good condition because I bought certain things that are fragile. They use the fucking bad. It's fucking ridiculous. Piece of paper. What is that from? Got another one of these ARGB lights, adjustable red, green, blue lights, LED lights. So it works with my AsiaHorse sync motherboard that I want to get. It's a Diamond 280 light bar. It only uses 1.9 watts. So it is much, but it'll be pretty bright. These are LEDs, so they're efficient. Some very nice light. It's an AsiaHorse light. That's the brand of it. So it got some cable matters, fan plugs. Yeah, got the right kind. So it's supposed to be for 4-pin fans. Another AsiaHorse light. It's just like the other one I got. And there's nothing else in the bag. The package. There, they start to see. I don't really like where you can see it. Let's take a closer look at the items. Bro, look at my finger. Oh my god. Oh yeah. See this out of the fuck box. Got good condition. Let's take a closer look at it. The cable looks fine, the light looks fine. Really hope the ARGB lights work, but I can't test that yet. It's the 11-inch light bar. Oh, these end up damaged packaging if I record this on hand. There we go. Came in good condition. Sorry for the stuttering, I'm fucking hot. I need food. Really nice. Cable came in good condition as well. So I'm gonna end this video. That's it. Thanks for watching.